channel. If you first time watching me, my name is Sumana and I hope you all are doing great. Today's video is another DIY video. This time I make different kind of choker neck piece. So nowadays choker are back in trend and it looks so cool. So I thought why not make a video on it. So here I am. Hope you like it. Making this choker you will just need fabric, some button and most important thing lace. You definitely find lace at any fabric or stitching store near your house. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for watching more videos. So yeah, let's get started. Here I use this type of lace. Also there are so many options available on market. You can choose as you wish. For the first choker, I take this white lace, cut it according my neck and now stitch both the end part. Then one side attach a hook and other side attach an eye. Eye is a hook type U-pin. Then take a old pendant and simply join at the middle. Here ready your simply DIY choker. Also you can wear it without pendant. For making the second choker, we need a fabric. Here I take this velvet one. First you need to measure your neck with a ribbon or rope anything. Then cut the same length in that fabric. Now fold the side and attach with glue. Then I choose this silver lace and fixed at the both sides with glue. Lastly, I add a button to joint it. Also, you can use a velcro or a hook. And this choker you definitely wear at any wedding or parties. For the third one, take a thin lace and a false flower. You can get it from your old clip or hairband. Now just take your neck length lace and join the flower into it. Take the flower in one side and fix it with glue. Make it permanent, you can also stitch it. Lastly, attach a hook and eye at the end of it and ready your fancy choker. Next is a denim choker, and for making this we need some denim fabric. I cut it from my pants. Now cut two equal pieces of the fabric like this and fold it and stitched. Then take another denim clothes and do the same thing, but this time make it small. Stitch those small part into the long one like a loop. When you finish it, just fold the end part and attach a hook. Lastly, for decorate it, I add few buttons. Number 5, do the same thing which we do at the previous one. This time I use a velvet fabric and again we need two pieces. Now make two holes on each part. Then take a thin chain or shoelace. Here I use this black shoelace and just tie it like this. Lastly, I add a velcro at the end and that's it. For the last one, I try to make a ethnic choker and earring set. First cut few pieces of cardboard in 2.5 cm square. Then again cut few fabric pieces. Make sure those are bigger than the cardboard pieces. Now join those pieces on the board with some glue. Then take a lace and attach those pieces on the lace in one line. Then do the same at the another side. Attach a hard paper on the back side. You find this paper at the same shop. Also add a rope on both sides for tie it. adjust the end part of the lace and ready your homemade choker. Now for making the earring, you need 2 same cardboard pieces. Now attach the lace all around it. Then take 2 top earrings, remove the upper part and attach on it with some glue. Lastly, add the same paper in the back portion and that's it.